Hey guys, how you doing today? It's me, Kelly. So quickly, this is just a quick video. I was asked, what else could you use instead of resin? Because a lot of you are not, uh, you don't really dig using resin, the smell and all that. Well, I have quite a few videos about this on my channel, but this is called UT is the nickname, and it's ultra thick embossing enamel. This is clear. It comes in so many colors, red and gold and silver and just black and green and everything, right? Orange. So what it is, it's a powder. Let me open up for you. As you can see, and you put it in this hot pot. It's called a melting pot by Ranger. And you get tools with it to mix and to, do that kind of stuff. You can buy extra tools. And what it does is it melts. Then you can pour it out. I like to scoop it out, but you can do whatever you want. Kind of have it facing this way because I want you guys to be able to see it. Okay. And it'll dry here and I can lift it off and it's done. It doesn't stick, right? You can see. And if you don't, you can go to the dollar store and you can get non-stick, heat-proof, spatulas and that kind of stuff. And maybe you have some at home that you want to use. So what I did was, I am going to show you, I have stuff everywhere because I got a million things going on. One of our little dogs, from, I think that's the Tim Holtz thing. And I'm going to put it in tweezers. And I'm going to put him in there and kind of squish him around. I feel bad. I don't want to burn him. Come on, little baby. Okay. Getting all the sides. And then lifting them up. Letting them drip. Just till you're, and you don't have to have it all the, all the way up. And then I'm just going to lay him on a non-stick mat. Give him a little, if he's a little sticking up anywhere, just a little push. So he just kind of adheres there for a momento. And then, just maybe up a bit. And then what I did was I took this is a silicone mold that you get from the dollar store or, to do candy and whatnot in. And I filled it and I got asked about alcohol inks in it. So I put some purple and white alcohol ink in it and we're going to see how it comes out, if it even spread. But I'm going to just push this out. And pull this apart and just kind of, I didn't put anything down. Oh, wow. Okay, well, it didn't, you got a great mold. Look at that. That's a great mold. But, the alcohol ink really didn't do anything and it was hot when I did it. So I dig this, though. I dig this. And then I did it in, because I'm always using the Amazing Mold Putty. I love this stuff. I've loved it forever. And I just poured it in. This is just a mold. I didn't really do anything fantastic, but you can see it comes right out. And it's a little, God, these hands today. It's a little matte on that side. It's not shiny, but you could put it back in here or a brush or, whatever you want to do. Let's say you don't like it, right? Like, oh, I don't like it. Well, then you just put it in there and it's going to melt back down. So you're not losing anything. So that's, that's always a fun thing. And like I said, this is just, I don't know how well. Let me see if I can go put my autofocus on. You know how well autofocus. Look at that, how cool. And I'm just talking the spider. I'm not talking, well, I'm going to make some pendants, I think, with this. Oh, yeah. But, yes, I love this. Let me know down below. I'm the Beastie Boy Ramen. Let me know down below if you guys want a demo using this different ways, different colors. I will gladly do it. You can see I took a file folder that maybe you go to your, let me grab it. You go to your local craft store. AC Moore, Michael's, what have you, Hobby Lobby, Joann's. I don't know the rest of them. Maybe you're at Ross, or you're at Tuesday Morning and they have like cheap stuff. And let's say you don't have a Sizzix. You know what I mean? So you can't emboss paper or whatever. I'm turning that off. But you find this for a couple bucks. So all you do is take, you know, a spoon or whatever you're using. That's melt, friend. And you go in and you pour it. And you kind of spread it around. I probably should have waited till, oh, because I turned the heat down, silly me. That's why. You want to be fairly quick. Like I said, that's why I always have it on the hottest setting. But you kind of see what I'm doing because it does need to heat up a little bit more. And then I just kind of push it like that. Give it a second to cool. While that cools, and you could take, you know, something hard or that's what she said. We're just going to leave that there. So I'm going to leave that there for 1 second, and I'm going to pick up our dog. And you want to put it on a, you know, a mat that is non-stick, but look how cool that is. Now it's like almost puffy, and you can do more. You can put them in there and dip them again. It will melt what's on here, so you kind of want to be fast. I would probably put it on your non-stick and kind of put around it. But this looks so cool. It's like a puffy sticker. And then you go use it in your mixed media, ATC card, whatever you want. So you do this, you let it, you know, do its thing like this. It comes right off. And then you can see, I only did partial, but you have your imprint of what was on there. So, I mean, that's really cool. And then if you don't want it, you just put it back in there. So now you can use your alcohol ink, your paint, whatever you want to play around. That's fun. So let me know what you guys think down below. Let me know if you guys, you know, want this. I've been doing, let me just show you a couple things I have sitting here, because I know I have other things that I'm playing and doing and just doing things. I made this. I made that. And then these two so far, which is so cool. Oh, they're so awesome. So if I must say so myself. No, I made Emily a little alien head because she believes in the aliens. Hard to see with my light because it's very glossy. And then I made her a ring the other day and a necklace. So I've just been playing and playing because I've not been feeling well. So, you know, just trying to get myself together. But I hope you guys are having a fantastic day. And as always, please be kind to each other. You never know what battle somebody else is fighting. Make sure to let me know down below if you guys want a more in-depth video about this. And I've also, before I had the melting pot, I also had, I got from the thrift store a small crock pot. And you can kind of do the same thing and just, you know, just melt it. Now what happens is I'm going to turn this off and this will all dry, and then when I'm ready to use it again, I can either peel it out because it's non-stick, or you know, just put it on and it'll remelt it. So it's really awesome, and I don't get paid for this. I don't, but it is a great alternative if you guys don't want to play with resin. So I love you guys, and I hope you guys are having a fantastic day. And if you don't mind, please share me around. I'd appreciate it. And if you found me just by a fluke and you would like to be subscribed, click the subscribe button down below and the little bell next to it so you can be notified when I upload. I will see you guys later. Bye.